If Iron Man couldn't predict threats, every battle would turn into chaos. And your revenue is no different. No prediction means no planning, and without planning, there's no growth. If you can't see the future, you're flying blind, and that's dangerous. AI-powered tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, Gong, and moksy.ai analyze everything. Pipeline shifts, deal behavior, buying signals, rep activity. And they predict exact monthly and quarterly revenue, providing you with real-time clarity. Use Moxy to create stunning, predictive, data-driven dashboard. No coding skills needed, and it's free. This isn't guesswork. It's certainty, stock-level precision, and zero surprises. Instant visibility means you can plan ahead, adjust strategies, and stay ahead of the curve. Why run your business without knowing where you're headed? Subscribe. The next category will blow your mind.